All SloMo functions in Final Cut Pro X in 60 seconds. First, basic SloMo. If you want to just slow down a clip, mark it and go over to this icon. Go to SloMo and select the percentage you want to apply to the clip. Then this orange bar will appear on top of your clip. There you can easily readjust the SloMo speed in every direction. 2. Optical flow. Because of the SloMo effect, your footage can be a little bit choppy. Therefore, go over to this icon, then to video quality and click optical flow. It will analyze a little bit and make your choppy footage smooth. 3rd, blade speed. You want to go from normal speed right to SloMo or just do a speed ramp. Then mark your clip, go to the part where you want the SloMo to kick in, go over to this icon and click blade speed. Then go to the clip and you can easily readjust the speed of both parts of the clip. Make the first part fast and the second one slow. There are tons of options. However, I would recommend you shooting your vids at least at 60 frames per second. Thank you for watching. This was filmmagic in 60 seconds. Bye bye.